Dogelon Mars at present trades close $0. Elon's stock has dropped about 2.51 points in the last 24 hours, which is a big deal. Elon's stock rose 1.42% in 7 days, which is a very big change. Elon's intraday volume stays at $1,788,656, which is a very important number until May 31, 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through the Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for sure a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked important questions. What is the short-term price expectation for Dogelon Mars? Basically, ELO thought that Dogelon Mars would support them in opposition levels and so on, which was contrary to what most people thought. However, before we jumped too deeply into the Elon technical investigation, it led us in every way that really matters. Talk about the economy as a whole, showing how Elon's intraday volume is about $1.785 million, which is a very big amount. Market analysis shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of $1.84, bringing the total digital currency market to $1.122.34.88, and the total trading volume stands at $22.757.277.610. Bitcoin controls 46.29% of the passage market while Ethereum has a power of 16.33%, which is exceptionally basic. This is the thing that caused Bitcoin's cost to drop to $26,700.97 after a 0.42% rot. Bitcoin as cost dropping down to $26,700.97.21 after a loss of 0.42 in a kind of critical way. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market truly is going in a basically slipping heading for sort of the present second, which from a genuine point of view is exceptionally basic at this point. A truly wide overall unfortunate dive ought to be seen all through the crypto market notwithstanding conventional reasoning. Mars Dogelon execution. The daily graph of Dogelon Mars demonstrates that the Elon price has a steeply descending trend with a 2.51% decrease and is in fact declining. Past 24 hours, which clearly demonstrates that XRP, the local coin of XRP, is close to 1.1 and is currently exchanging at 46 cents or thereabouts. They believed the value of the Dogelon Mars coin was currently at $0 market capitalization $136,963,872, which is essential. Elon price fluctuates 1.42 throughout the week, whereas the trading volume fluctuates around $1,007,857,056. Consequently, they pondered what Dogelon defaces are. Dogelon Mars is unquestionably a canine-themed picture coin on Ethereum and Polygon, which is very basic. It follows the example of other powerful canine coins, such as Dogecoin, Shiba, and Flokianu. Visionary, who is an open partner of Hover, which generally indicates that the essentially hard and fast trading volume truly remains at 22,757,277,610, or so they expressly believed. It proposes Mars a curve on the particularly famous moon image, deducing that Dogelon will experience a massive vertical improvement, indicating that the value of the Dogelon Mars coin in each and every sense is staying at $0 market capitalization $136,963,872, or so they believed. Dogelon Mars all around that truly matters has explicitly figured out how to win each down-to-earth sense, construct a vast neighborhood with more than 300,000 Twitter devotees and more than 834,000 allies on message who are generally the trailblazers behind Dogelon Mars. Which in a real sense is very big. The people who made this particular dog coin are usually unknown, but it seems that Dogelon Mars is a dog-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon. This is a fairly common thing for image coins, and investors are usually well informed about it because there is a reasonable level of investment with mostly secret coins to try not to fall for Noxio. Dogelon Mars is mostly a silly, funny story about how Dogelon the dog gave the coin its name. This is what caused the Bitcoin's price to drop to $26,797.21 after a drop of 0.42. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the world and tries to repopulate the planet he once called home with the help of his friends. Elon down roughly 2.51% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours. Incredibly, Dogelon Mars doesn't sort of have a guide as such, yet rather fostered a dream variant through its comics showing the way that who most certainly are the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars in a sort of enormous manner. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will need to battle for truly endurance against the annihilators, exhibiting how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1122112304788 or so. They especially thought this fantasized variant recommends that once the coin generally is recorded on all truly significant traits, the cost of Elon will in a real sense reach Mars. Or in kind of different words, it will exchange at an especially much most certainly higher valuation, which fundamentally shows that it suggests smart a twist on the genuinely popular moon image, suggesting that Dogelon will encounter a gigantic vertical development exhibiting that the value worth of the Dogelon Mars. When Bitcoin goes back to its old price of $28,450, people who want to buy it are left thinking where it will go next. Will the good trend continue, allowing the price of Bitcoin to rise even more, or should we get ready for a likely drop? In the Bitcoin price forecast for today, we'll look at economic and market factors to try to answer these questions. As the United States thinks about raising its debt ceiling, the value of digital currencies like Bitcoin goes up, passing the $28,000 mark. Bitcoin, BTC, has gone up by 3%, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market is green, which suggests that prices will go up over the weekend. But this influx of money didn't happen until Republican leader Kevin McCarthy and U.S. President Joe Biden came to a preliminary agreement to raise the huge $32.4 trillion national debt limit. This deal, which was made after 4 days of 90-minute phone calls, is not yet official. Biden has said that he is sure this deal will keep the U.S. from going into default. On the other hand, Kevin McCarthy says that Biden is to blame for the delay. He says that Biden has been putting off and turning down talks for many months. In the next 2 years,